Every pencil begins its journey here, as raw cedar timber entering the machine. Stripped of their bark, the logs move toward the precision cutting line.
Gravity and mechanics work together to position the timber for the first cut.
Each log is centered with millimeter precision to ensure maximum yield. The power of the machine takes hold, spinning the cedar into a blur. The first step is stripping the rugged exterior to reveal the heart of the cedar. Precision blades now shape the raw wood into uniform, perfect cylinders.
Every log is inspected for consistency before moving to the cleaning station.
High-pressure air removes any lingering debris to ensure a flawless finish. The wood is polished to a satin sheen, ready for the first cuts. The debarked cedar logs move steadily toward the first precision cuts. Staged and ready, the timber is sorted by density and moisture content. A series of high-speed saws reduce the massive logs into manageable planks.
Each plank is mechanically sorted to ensure uniform thickness and quality.
The final refinement creates the thin slats that will eventually hold the core. Only the finest cedar planks are selected to become the pencil's protective shell. Precision blades carve the channels that will soon hold the graphite hearts. Every cut and bore must be measured to the fraction of a millimeter.
The wooden shells are ready, awaiting their carbon centers.
Deep in the plant, the story of the graphite core begins with raw ore. While wood provides the structure, the heart of the pencil begins as raw carbon. These massive chunks are broken down to ensure a smooth, consistent lead. Pressure and precision transform rock into a fine, silken powder. Every ounce of this dust is captured for the next stage of the journey. Mixed with clay, the carbon becomes a pliable paste, ready to be shaped. The core begins as a dense paste, forced through precision dies at immense pressure. Stretching out into endless ribbons, the soft material must now be sized. Every cut is a measure of perfection, creating uniform lengths for the next phase. Thousands of cores move as one toward the intense heat of the kiln.
In this furnace, they will be baked at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees. The raw graphite cores now begin their journey through the extreme heat of the kiln. Temperatures inside exceed 1,000 degrees to fuse the carbon into a solid core. This calcination process creates the essential strength and smoothness required for writing. As they cool, the cores harden into the precise tools we recognize. Each rod is sorted with microscopic precision, ready to be encased in cedar. Intense airflow rapidly stabilizes the carbon structure, cooling the rods for the next stage. Now hardened and uniform, the finished cores are ready to be encased in wood.
premium cedar planks are fed into the router to create the internal channels.
Each groove must be accurate to within a fraction of a millimeter.
In a seamless union, the core is laid into its cedar cradle.
Bonded and secure, the blocks move toward the final shaping process.
The friction of wood and graphite creates a fine cloud of industrial debris.
The square-edged slats are now fed into the high-speed shaping unit. Rotating at 10,000 RPM, carbide blades shave the wood into 6 perfect facets. Each pencil is trimmed to a standard length. The wood is tapered back to expose the heart of the pencil, the graphite core. Thousands of raw pencils are gathered, ready for their final coat of color.
Before the color is applied, every pencil is aligned with sub-millimeter precision.
Automated nozzles apply multiple layers of high-gloss lacquer for a flawless finish. Every shade in the rainbow is calibrated for perfect color consistency.
Infrared heat cures the lacquer, bonding the color to the cedar body.
The result is a mirror-smooth finish, ready for the final mark of quality.
Every pencil undergoes a final polish to ensure a flawless, professional finish.
Advanced optical sensors organize the pencils by hue for their final sets.
The final touch, a gold-stamped seal of quality and tradition. Finished, sharpened, and ready for the world's artists.
From raw timber to a masterpiece in the making.